I'm Venky Hariharan. I'm the design manager at Onething Design Studio, and I'll be your instructor for MasterCamp in user experience design, where I'll teach you all about user research, wireframing, and visual design. I started my design journey about 8 years ago when I enrolled for my master's degree at NYU. Pretty quickly, I realized that there was potential back home, so I came here and joined Onething Design about 5 years ago, and we've been building cool products ever since together. We've worked with ITC, Noise, Hindustan Times, and we've built some exceptional experiences for millions and millions of users. We believe that design needs to be not just in the books or on screen. It is all about real-world experiences. That's why this course will be all about experiential teaching, where we'll be taking you to group crafting exercises, museum visits, and talk about some real-world problems that can be solved through design. By the end of this program, you will be able to learn how to ask the right questions during a user research phase, derive qualitative insights, and then go on to build exceptional products in the real world. Hope to see you in class soon.